non-binary icon Noah Vale going one-on-one with the beauty of chaos, Amanda Kiss.
You're going to stay right there. I got a question.
Uh-oh.
Who came here for Amanda Kiss?
Well, Noah Vale, there's your answer. And there is the answer, Noah, regardless if you wanted to hear it or not. These people came here for Amanda Kiss.
And who came here for Noah Vale?
Hey, that's God's honest truth. Noah Vale is one over son of a gun. They are well-traveled. They are well-versed. Hell, they just put up a war with the GCW World Champion Effie, and they took Effie to the limit. Effie has now made it publicly known that Noah Vale has put them back in that spirit they used to be in, of wanting to grind, wanting to go all out. Noah Vale is well-traveled, comes from the forgotten state, they say, of Florida. Doesn't feel like Florida gets respect put on their name at all. And that is exactly why Noah Vale has went all around the states. They go to every scene they can think of and show that they are one of the absolute best, regardless of their attitude or not. Whoa, Amanda rolled through, no. Catches the wrist, pulls Amanda in, this Noah Vale. And the difference, though, between these two is that Amanda Kiss has been grinding it out in the southeastern scene, excuse me. Oh my God, biting! Noah Vale! Taking a chunk out of the arm of the non-binary icon. Amanda Kiss, as I was saying, is an absolute star coming out of the southeastern area. And that's because she is a grinder herself, absolutely putting her head down and putting the reps in. Impressing oh so much, but you're in there with another level right now, and that is Noah Vale. That's nasty. Oh, come on, Noah. A wet willy? A wet willy? Amanda Kiss now slowly back to her feet. Big kick to the gut there by Noah. Follows suit with another. I mentioned Noah Vale, well-versed traveler, of course. Former Naptown All-Pro Tag Team Champions. Held those tag titles for so long until losing them at the Naptown All-Pro Combat Crossroads. That's an Indiana professional wrestling company. That's how well-traveled Noah Vale is. They go to any scene, any style. They are about that action. But Noah Vale is learning that the beauty of chaos, Amanda Kiss, is just as well. Amanda now pulling Noah in. Oh, big body slam there. Go for the cover. No, just a count of two. Noah Vale asking, is this seat taken here in the front row? And Amanda Kiss just staring down the prey that is Noah Vale. Noah now going up. Is that Az? Is that Az? Of course, Noah Vale traveling from Florida, clearly coming with friend of theirs. Noah now on the move. Noah on the move. She a track star. That's crazy. Noah Vale on their way all around the ring, but Amanda Kiss is right there, and that is the sophisticated offense of Amanda Kiss. That's right, I said it. Sophisticated offense. Duck under. Amanda driving Noah Vale down onto the apron. My goodness. What a matchup this has been. Oh, Amanda took a little bit too much time, and Noah Vale capitalizing. Oh my goodness. Hitting down hard on the mat right there. Slowly now, Amanda pulling herself back up. No avail with a heavy right, followed by a left. Throwing these body shots in the corner. No, no, no! Dragon screw from no avail. These two are absolutely tearing it up here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. This is what TBD is all about. Just throwing shots at one another. Oh! Amanda battling back. Up to the middle rope goes Amanda Kiss. Big stomp there to Noah. Amanda getting caught with the enziguri. No avail. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dragon screw! Sending Amanda Kiss packing. 1, 2, no! Kick out by Amanda Kiss. Oh my God! No avail still talking that mess. No avail is very confident, always. That's just who No avail is. And they want to see if Amanda Kiss can hang. Taking Amanda to the deep end in ways that only No avail can. But Amanda Kiss is kicking and swimming in that shark-infested water of the middle road. What a cross body there. Amanda Kiss showing she is about it here tonight. Referee at a count of 4. Oh, big strike there. Both these competitors on their knees, throwing as many strikes, rising up to a standing position now. Oh, oh, oh! Violence party from no avail! Amanda liked it! Another headbutt there! Driving no avail down. Oh my God! The thickness of Amanda Kiss's skull is an enigma. Oh, what a suplex there. And another one. Corner? Are you up, Musha? Oh my God, Amanda Kiss has a point to prove. No avail. Absolutely flattened with that one. Oh my goodness! Amanda back to her feet. Crowd behind Amanda. Here we go. Oh my God! The leg going out of Amanda Kiss. No avail's been working it over this entire time. Saying they have outsmarted Amanda Kiss. Oh, taking a bite out of Amanda! 1, 2, no! Kick out at 2. Amanda Kiss fighting through the pain. Noah said that they are going to stomp Amanda's chest in. Nothing can stop them. They're all the way up to the ceilings. Oh! Amanda rolled through. Big spear! 1, 2, 3! And that is exactly exactly why Amanda Kiss is one of the fastest rising stars in all of the Southeast. Take notice, the beauty of chaos is out here, and she is about it. Noah Vale is absolutely furious. Didn't expect this to be the outcome one bit. Oh my God. Oh, kicking the hand away. Spitting on Amanda Kiss. That's disgusting. And Noah just hastily leaving here. Pissed beyond belief. Give it up one more time though for Amanda Kiss. The beauty of chaos getting the job done here. That was an absolutely incredible performance.